Anyway, guys, things are very bad for the Italians. They need to pray for Thandeka, guys. Anything can happen. Biggie can make a decision for Thandeka to go home tonight. She might be disqualified if Biggie decides to say, we are tired of you. What you did yesterday, it was wrong. You need to go home. Because honestly speaking, guys, Thandeka, she needs to be called out. The things that she's doing, I can see even the production team, they are tired of Thandeka, guys. Even when she's undressing, they don't even remove the camera, guys. They will show us everything, guys. When it comes to about Didi and about Liema, guys, they try every time when Uliema she's undressing or Didi, they'll move the camera to the kitchen outside the garden. They'll do something not to show her, undressing, because they respect her privacy. But when it comes to Thandeka, I feel like Thandeka, guys, she doesn't respect the Big Brother, honestly speaking. Let's all be honest. Even Bezaka Thandeka, as much as you guys think Thandeka she's perfect, Thandeka she needs to be called out. So yesterday with Thandeka, guys, she decided to sleep outside because of Melly, guys, forgetting that she's there for a 2 million rand. So yesterday after the Saturday party, guys, Thandeka and Melly had an argument because Melly was dancing with Tracy, guys. Thandeka, she was angry. He tried to give her a pat. She didn't want. She was just shouting. And Melly decided, you know what? I am done with this girl. Let me go to sleep. But he decided to go to sleep, and then he went to the bathroom. Thandeka, guys, instead of her also go to sleep, she decided to go outside and sleep. She's used that every time whenever they had an argument, she will do something and Melly will come and beg her. So when she went outside, she thought Melly might come and fetch her, and Melly was like, not this time. And people are saying, oh, it is because the votes are closed. That's why Melly, she is treating Thandeka like this. Honestly speaking, guys, dating Thandeka is very difficult. Let's all be honest, guys. Liema, she's the one who went and checked Thandeka to say, Thandeka, can you please come inside? It's cold, there are mosquitoes, they will bite you. Thandeka didn't even care, guys. She was telling Liema, can you please leave me alone? Again, Liema went to Melly and said, Melly, please, your girlfriend is outside. Can you please do something? Melly was like, no, darling, I'm not going to do that. She decided to take blankets and go and give Thandeka, guys. When she tried to get out of the house, she found out Biggie has closed the garden door, guys. Thandeka has no choice to do what? To sleep outside, guys. According to Big Brother's rules, you're not allowed to sleep outside, guys. He has told all the housemates to get inside. He wants to close the garden door, guys. But Thandeka decided to disrespect Biggie and go outside and sleep outside, guys. I think she has slept more than 4 hours. So that's when Big Brother decided to open the door. Guys, Ashe, he could not sleep. He waited at the door, begging Biggie to say, can you please, Big Brother, open the door? Thandeka, she's outside. People were saying, what time more Ashe, go to sleep. Even Thandeka wake up and went straight to the door to say, hi, can you please, Ashe, go to sleep? Can Biggie open the door? I want to go and pee. She ended up peeing in the place where they do laundry, guys. And people are saying, what is wrong? They didn't even care, guys. They were showing everything, guys. They could have moved camera direction to anywhere else. They decided, you know what, we're going to show you everything, guys. And people are saying, good, tonight big thing might happen. Thandeka, she might be go home, guys. When it comes to Melly, honestly speaking, guys, Melly has tried to save Thandeka so many times. Some people are saying the best solution is for Melly to go home or for Thandeka and Melly to break up, because Melly, guys, sometimes he doesn't call Thandeka. Also, Melly, he's a housemate. He's there for 2 million rand. We cannot expect for Melly to always be around the Thandeka, to call out Thandeka, to do everything for Thandeka. I've never seen Thandeka making breakfast for Melly. Let's all be honest, guys. Melly is trying everything. He's doing laundry. Thandeka, she's just there, guys. Even if myself I was dating with Thandeka, I was gonna get tired, I was gonna get tired. There's no way I can survive that relationship. I doubt these two might survive outside, guys. Melly, he's so drained, guys. He doesn't know what to do anymore. All he wants is for him to take the 2 million and leave, guys. And people are saying, no, man, Thandeka, she's not wrong. She wanted to pee. Big Brother could have opened the door. But Big Brother said to them, guys, they get inside the house. We need to close the garden door. Thandeka decided to be, to disrespect Big Brother and went outside. So Big Brother needed to punish Thandeka, guys. And people are saying, no, Big Brother hates Thandeka. Like, guys, as much as we all can take, guys, uThandeka has been disrespectful to people when it comes to microphone. There are a lot of things uThandeka. Even yesterday, she was washing her face in the sink, and you all say it's fine, it doesn't matter. Yes, we've accepted that. But when it comes to a lot of stuff, guys, the people are, even the way she talks to Big Brother, guys, she doesn't show respect, guys. I do understand that Aboliyema, they are causing drama, they are gossiping, but when it comes to Thandeka, she's doing so well. It's just that if and busy got Thandeka, they never see anything wrong with Thandeka, guys. They always think Thandeka, she's perfect. Yes, there are situations where Thandeka was right and the other housemates, they were wrong, but most of the time Thandeka, guys, she will do something and then she expect everybody to just say keep quiet, guys. And I feel like the only person who can handle Thandeka is Umeli. Melly should have handled Thandeka a long time ago when they started dating, guys. I could have called him out, could have explained, I don't like this, I don't like what you're doing. Because there was a time where he was telling Thandeka, which you have a main character syndrome. You think you are all important than the other housemate, guys. Dancing with Tracy, it has nothing wrong. She say, no, Tracy hates me, you're dancing with my enemies. You are all there for the competition. Sometimes the ladies, they will do anything so they can see your reaction, guys. And I don't understand Thandeka. She doesn't understand what Abo did, Abo Tracy, Abo Lema, they will do anything to see her reaction, guys. She just needs to understand that she's there for 2 million rand, unless she's there for Melly, guys. So anyway, guys, yes, the fences are Thandeka, you really need to pray today. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about it? Say, do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care. First of all, I love you. Bye.